In the backseat of a van, an older man and woman sit beside a young man in a baseball hat with a fanny pack slung over his shoulder. Behind them, 2 children and a young woman sit in the second row of the van. Maciek drives. A view from over his shoulder shows a car driving past his van. Maciek passes a stone military bunker and navigates around cement blockades jutting out into sections of the road. Armed soldiers gesture for Maciek to pull over behind another driver being questioned by soldiers. Maciek rolls down his window and puts his hands up.
Good morning. Morning. From where to where are you going? From Soledar to Pokrovsk. Your papers, please. Roll the window down.
Maciek rolls down another window.
Open the trunk.
Maciek gets out of the car.